Farmer Gill was usually a happy man. He was comfortable. His wife was a good housewife. She was an excellent cook. His son was bright. He had Farmer Gill around on the farm. Farmer Gill had just one problem. It was a big problem. He worked for a very rich man in his town. The rich man was a very glass fellow. He was a very disagreeable. He always tried to give servants a hard time. In fact, he sometimes made their life miserable. One day, the rich man said to Farmer Gill, "Go pick me some mountain strawberry. I feel like having some nice, sweet, fresh strawberries." But your richness, his servant had to call him, "Your richness, it's winter. I can pick strawberry in winter," exclaimed the Farmer Gill. "What do you mean? You can't? You just lazy."